Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you through setting up a complete development environment on your local Windows machine. We will cover downloading and installing essential tools for web development. By the end of this tutorial, you will have everything ready to start coding. Let's get started. Okay, for the first app you need to download is a Laravel. You can just Google it, enter, and then go to download. I prefer to download the full type, as you can see. So we download, and then the second tools you need to download is a composer. Okay, this composer is a dependency manager that will help you manage your code. Example, so you just download it and click here and download. The third tools you need to download is a Git. Git is a version control that help to manage your code. So you just Google Git and then you just click the downloads and then download for Windows. So please see what's the type of your operation system. For mine is a 64-bit, so I'm doing 64-bit. The next app you need to download is SQL. SQL is a database management tool to interact with MySQL or MariaDB. So click the download here and then click here and start download. And then for the fifth app tools you need to download is a Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a powerful and flexible code editor. It's a free version to help you to write the code. So click here to download and then click button download for Windows. Okay, now all the essential tools that we need for web development on local machine is downloaded, and then we need to install it one by one. Okay, the first thing we need to download is a Laravel. Laravel is a lightweight development environment for PHP, MySQL and more. So just click and so we open the file, download, as you can see. So we install Laravel first. Before that, please follow the step how I install all the app, because all the app is related to each other. Okay, click OK, and then please make sure the part is the C in the partition C, Laravel or any partition that you want. Click next. I prefer to click all this thing. Okay, this one is run when Windows is start. When you switch on your laptop, then Laravel is auto run. Auto virtual host, this one I prefer, because every time you install Laravel or anything, the app will just can access by the test, so don't need to run PHP, artisan, something like that lah. This one also needed for the terminal. Okay, so click next, click install. We wait until it finish. Okay, I prefer not to run lah, then click finish. Okay, the second we install is a composer. Please follow the step I provide. So I'm recommended to install for all user. Click yes, and then just click next. This one you need to choose the PHP part. Okay, I will show you where the part. You click browse and then go to where you install the Laravel. Click Laravel, click bin folder, then looking for PHP folder, double click it, go to the PHP and then this one, double click it. This is the part. Then we click next. This one clicks next, then install. Okay, click next, and then if you want to view the online documentation, you just click here. But you just want to read. But for me, I just untick and click finish. The third we need to install is a Git. This one is a version control to help manage your code. Just click yes, and then just next. As you can see, this is the part. If you want change to other part, but for me, I'm prefer just click next. Click next, next, next. Let's see. Let's skip this side. For me, just click next, 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 and then just click next only. It's only has a different way for us. And then just untick this and click finish. The fourth one we need to install is the Heady. Heady is a database management tool to interact with MySQL and or MariaDB. So I recommend it to install for all users. Click yes, accept the agreement, and just next. Actually, Heady is an open source software, so you can use it without worry without license. So I preferably tick all this one and click next and install. I choose not launch the Heady. Finish. Then the last one for code editor is a Visual Studio Code. We install and accept agreement. This one also is a free, so you don't need license. You just can use without the license, without any payment required. This one is a location part for the installing, and then just click next, and just next and install. Okay, and then click finish. Okay, that's all for setup the local. So I will teach you how to open the Laravel. You just click the Windows and then search Laravel, and then you click start. As you can see right now. Okay, right now how to open the DB. Okay, before you open DB, you just need the Laravel. So Laravel will auto run all the needed for development. So you just type SQL for database. Okay, as you can see, localhost. This one is by default. You just click open. Sorry, this one disconnect. As you can see, this is a database here, and then for Visual Studio Code. Ta-da! This one is a Visual Studio Code. That's one the editor that you use to write the code, something like this. Okay, for the next video I will teach you how to install the Laravel. See you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.